Hello, welcome to everyone. Let's let's do a problem on quadratic topic. On the subtopic, square completing is a medium level problem. Okay. The question is to express each of the following in the form of a times x plus b the whole square plus c. Before that, we can see what we what does it mean by square completing. Okay. We know two formulas very well in the algebra, that is a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square. Am I right? So the process of square completing is that we have to rewrite or we have to try the equation, that is expression of quadratic equation, in terms of a plus b the whole squared form. So let's see and small simple example, and then we can continue with the problem what we have going to discuss. Okay, x square plus x plus 2. This is somewhat a familiar question, is it? But here, instead of 1 minute, I put it 2. Here a is 1 and 2 a b is 1. But here, instead of 1, we have 2. If it is 1, we can write it like a plus b, the whole square format. Is it so? Then what we can do? 2 x plus 1 minus 1. We can add a plus 1 and subtract it. Then what we can do? We can write the first three terms in the form of 1x plus 1 the whole square. That is x plus 1 the whole square. 1 minute. We can write the first three term in the form of x plus 1 the whole square. Then we can write the constant term like the way, and we can write like this plus 1. So for simple quadratic equation, we have to rewrite this in the form of like this: a square completed value and some constant value. In this method is known as square completing. To complete this equation to be a square of number, that's a perfect square number, we have to do add minus 1 and subtract, sorry, add 1 and subtract 1 to complete the first two term into the square number. Okay. Okay. This is a process so called square completing. Okay. Shall we proceed with the problem that we have to discuss now? Yeah. Coming to the problem. 1 minute. Okay, let's discuss. So here first number is 2x squared. So what would be the square root of 2x squared? Square root of 2x squared is 2x. The root of 2 times x is the square root of 2x squared. So we can write like this: square root of 2 times x whole square. And we can split the middle term. How can we split? First we have to split 2 and 6 plus 19. What would be the next step? For the 2ab, we have a 2. Instead of a, what we require? Instead of a, we require root 2. Okay. So root 2x the whole square minus 2 root 2x 6 minus root 2. So a is provided. Now here instead of b, what we have? We have the value as 6 divided by root 2. Am I right? Yes. What we can do? We can add 6 by root 2 the whole square and subtract 6 by root 2 the whole square to make completing the square. Okay. Plus 6 by root 2 the whole square minus 6 by root 2 the whole square plus 19. So root 2 the whole square we can keep the same as the first term. Then here, 1 minute, we can write first three term into the perfect square number. Is it so? Yes, we can write. Let's write 1 minute. First term would be root 2 x plus 6 by root 2 the whole square. Okay. Then 36 divided by root 2. Okay. Then, 36 divided by root 2 the whole square, which is 2. Then we can write this root 2 that side to get 2x plus 6 the whole, sorry, 6 plus 6 the whole square. Okay, over root 2 square, which is 2. Okay, 36 by 2, 18. Yes, right. 18 plus 19. Then we can take 2 common on both sides, but it is inside the square. So 2 square x plus 3 the whole square divided by 2 plus minus 18 plus 19 is 1. Then we get 4 and 2 are cancelled each other and to get the numerator as 2. So 2 times x plus 3 the whole square plus 1. This would be the answer. But we did one mistake. Here we need to put minus, here we need to put minus, here we put minus. So this can be a careless error while we are calculating. This must be avoided. This can be avoided by continuous working out. Okay, because the first three numbers, here the middle number is minus. Okay, so minus 2ab means the square completing formula is a minus b the whole square. Okay. Okay, that's all. This equation is like this. Here, what would be the final answer in terms of the given thing? 2x plus of minus 3 the whole square plus 1. So a value is 2, b value is minus 3 and c value is 1. Similarly, can we proceed with the second question? Okay. Shall we proceed? Yeah. Here also the first number we have to take square root of 3x square, that is square root 3x the whole square minus 12 can be written as 2 times 6x minus 1. Then square root 3x the whole square remains the same and 2 we can proceed like this, root 3x and 6 by root 3 minus 1. Now what can we do? We can add 6 by root 3 the whole square and subtract 6 by root 3 the whole square. Okay. Yeah, let's proceed. Okay. 6 by root 3 plus 36 by 3 minus 36 by 3 minus 1. So we can write the first three terms in the form of root 3x plus 6 by root 3 the whole square. Root 3x minus 6 by root 3 the whole square. Then 36 by 3 we get 12 minus 1. Then we can take the common denominator root 3 for both root 3x minus 6. So 3x minus x divided by root 3 whole square minus 13. Then we can take the 3 on both sides. Sorry, 3 from 3x minus 6. We get 3x minus 2 over root 3 squared is 3 minus 13. Then 3 and 3 cancel and we get the numerator as 3x minus 2 the whole square minus 13. We can rewrite this form as x plus minus 2 the whole square plus of minus 30. Okay. Okay. Thank you.